I worked for almost a decade in New York, and something that I really fell in love with was fresh pasta. Here we have some 00 flour, just with a few fresh farm eggs. Being able to share with people my love for fresh ingredients, specifically here fresh pasta, is really something that makes me happy. Great cooking always starts with the basics, and the base of the pasta is always the noodle. It's really something nice to use as fresh a product as you can. Even fresh flour makes a ton of difference. I really, enjoy building sauces. So we saute garlic with rosemary and chili flakes, a little bit of salt, finish it with a really nice Chardonnay. The tomatoes are sourced locally, and we've always taken pride in helping local farmers succeed and then showcasing their fantastic products. This beautiful crab from Java just has a ton of flavor. So sourcing fantastic ingredients, having the freshest product really creates a special dining moment. This dish was inspired by my time cooking coastal Italian pastas, and I really, it's something I'm really proud of.